Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.